Hi everybody.
Hey, hi. Long time no see, guys.
This is the second time I forgot to put the card in the camera and it ran out of memory.
Oh my God.
Don't be a doorknob now. And somebody sent us the snow. I'm blaming that on Leon. Guess what arrived today? Damn camera won't adjust. The Fly More combo. Of course, we already took everything out of the box because somebody forgot the card in the camera.
I wonder who that was.
There's the little mini. Let me smell it. New electronics. It's got that certain smell to it, doesn't it? There's the battery, one's in there. The remote looks the same, right, Raj?
Yep.
Except for you said this button?
Yeah, it has a pause on it.
It has a pause, and it's a red button, so Roger, don't press the red button. We took some of the stuff that was in it. We got all the extra little props that come with it. There's a couple extra gimbals, little toggles there. What else we got? Screwdriver. Ooh, this screwdriver.
And that's it.
And of course we have the instructions, but
that's it. That's all.
I thought they would come with a hard case. Instead we get this little black bag and everything seems to be crushed in there. That's really flippin' heavy, isn't it? I didn't realize it was that heavy. Is yours that heavy?
Yep.
Damn. I guess that connector or this here wire is for probably an Android or something. Of course you got your other adapters, probably for phones. Got your batteries. Oh man, they are dead.
Yeah. Don't forget, charge one by one.
But this, I don't know. My Mini doesn't weigh this much with a battery in it.
Look at the strap.
It could be. You can get a strap with it. Phew, a strap. That's gonna save on buggerizing with the props. Because the Mavic Mini, I find with the case. Yeah, I wonder if this bloody thing fits in the case. Yep. DJI Mavic Mini 2, 5 more combo.
Okay, on that note, I would like to thank every guy in our chat and women that contributed to us getting this Mavic Mini, the Mini 2, sorry. And thank you for all your donations. That really helped out us a lot. And look forward for some fantastic filming, guys. That's really why we got it too.
And with the red button on there, maybe a crash.
Okay. So, like I said, guys, thank you everybody who
did
the PayPal, who did the super chat. Thank you all so much, guys. It was really worth it.
Yeah, great community, Raj. I mean, some good people in there.
Very good people.
That share and stuff.
Yeah. Very good people. Now, I don't know where the camera's pointing. I don't know if Ken's getting my bottom chin only or not. I don't know.
I'm getting the whole thing.
Okay.
You dippy.
So, everybody, thank you again so much. And have a great new year. This is one great present for us, a Christmas present. We much appreciate it. Thank you all so much, guys.
Take care, everyone. Bless.